Today's question from the comments comes from Bayam. He says, can I sell my car that I own with a clean title if I have a tax lien? Will I qualify to buy a new car? I heard that the tax lien is no longer on your credit report. Now, let's break this down because there's a lot to unpack here. Before I do, if you have a tax question that you'd like me to answer, just drop it in the comments and I may answer yours next. When it comes to selling a car, it reminds me of the case of the cursed Ferrari. A guy in Texas tried to sell his Ferrari, even though there was a tax lien. He had clear title with the DMV. He found a buyer. The sale went through. And then the IRS sued the buyer, the seller, and even the bank because the tax debt was not paid from the proceeds of the sale. You see, a federal tax lien is kind of like a secret passenger in your car. It just sits quietly in the back seat. But if you sell the car, the passenger goes with it. The new owner may wake up one day and the IRS could be seizing their new car because you didn't pay your taxes. When it comes to personal property like cars, you got to understand titles versus liens. The title says who owns the usage and possession rights. The federal tax lien says who owns the value of the car. It's kind of like asking whether you can sell your house if you have a mortgage. And the answer is, of course, you can sell the house, but you got to pay off the bank with the proceeds of the sale. Full disclosure, this was a rare and unique situation. The tax lien probably won't stop the sale of your car, but don't chance it. File Form 14135 and request a certificate of discharge. Get the IRS's permission to sell. Give them the equity and walk away clean. Don't sell a cursed car. Buying a car is a different story. It is true that federal tax liens no longer appear on the major credit reports. But here's the reality nobody tells you. Lenders still know that you owe the IRS. Public record searches still catch it. Title companies, auto dealers, and auto lenders routinely run county or state recorder searches before refinancing or selling a vehicle. The tax lien will show up and raise immediate red flags. Some banks and finance companies use these searches to confirm that the collateral isn't already encumbered. If they see an IRS lien, they might not lend on that vehicle until the lien is paid or subordinated. And if you find one that will finance you, they may require a larger down payment, charge a higher interest rate, or demand proof that you're in an IRS payment plan before the loan can close. And don't forget, a federal tax lien is a continuing lien that attaches to all of your present and future property rights for as long as the lien is in place. So unless you deal with the actual tax debt, your new car will also be subject to the same tax lien. Speaking of tax debt, I want you to know that there are special programs in place to help you get a fresh start. Just go to www.levyking.com to help you figure out your option.
1-877